What to do if the control panel of your printer is blank. I will give you some suggestions on how to fix the problem. First of all, remove the electrical cable. Wait 30 seconds. Then, reconnect the electrical cable. Turn the printer on again. If the problem remains, are you sure the printer is receiving power? Check the electrical outlet. Change the electrical outlet. Change the power cord. If you have a laser printer, check the fusers. If the printer is receiving power, they should be hot. Check the printer folder if there is any additional information or error messages. Check if the printer is online or try to print a test print from the printer folder. If the printer is offline, it's probably not receiving power. There may be a problem with the power supply. If the printer is online or it's printing, the problem could be the control panel connectors. Check the connectors. Remove and reinstall the connectors. The control panel is connected with the main board, often with a flat cable. Check all the connections. Open the control panel and check that there are no broken, deformed, or misplaced parts. Clean the contacts of the panel buttons. If the printer does not receive power, the power supply board could be defective. This type of problem is often caused by the main board. If nothing works, you have to replace the control panel.